Good morning, my dear KTP teachers. I'm here today because I have very important information to share with you. And this has to do with a new procedure that we need you to follow now that you are gonna close and archive all your classes from the KTP semestral and the KTP midweek classes too. What is special? As you can see on the screen here, I'm gonna move myself a little bit. You can see Daniela Castrillon from Innovación. She was explaining to me the new process, and I want to share with you the process too. It's very simple, okay? It's especially the part when you archive the class because there is a new procedure, because we need to plan carefully where we are gonna place our students now that we are changing our courses names. So let me show you Daniela's example. And that's it, no more. Look, take a look at it. So from no to yes, and then cambio curricular. No more. But the problem is that we do need you to remember, okay? Because that step, that new process is essential for the creation of the classes in 2022. I hope it's clear. I hope you'll understand. Whatever questions you have, talk to your supervisors, talk to your PSs, talk to your ASs, talk to someone if you are not sure, okay? Sometimes we just archive classes like on remote mode because we know how to do it, but not anymore. We need you to pay attention to this new step, okay? We count on you, teachers. Thanks a lot. Good to see you. Bye-bye.